Hey, I'm Alex from the Kixie sales team. Welcome to Kixie in a Minute. Today, we're diving into ConnectionBoost, Kixie's most popular feature for boosting connection rates, reducing spam labels, and protecting your number. I'll show you how it works and how to get the most out of it. Let's jump in. To enable ConnectionBoost in your Kixie dialer, simply navigate to the drop-down menu, click on Settings, and then toggle this switch on next to ConnectionBoost. Now, when you go to place outbound calls, ConnectionBoost is enabled and you will be showing up as a clean local area code to whomever you're calling. ConnectionBoost gives you smarter outreach and stronger results with less manual effort. Questions? Reach out to your dedicated account rep and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching Kixie in a Minute.